Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If cot A equal to 20 by 21, find sec A. Now let's consider this is the triangle A, B, C, right angled at B. So we are given cot A equal to 20 by 21. So cot of any angle is adjacent side divided by opposite side. So in this case it is AB divided by BC. So we can say AB is equal to 20x and BC is equal to 21x. We need to consider x because this is nothing but a ratio, trigonometric ratio. So actual length will be that ratio multiplied by multiplied by some factor, and this factor is x here. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to 20x whole square plus 21x whole square. So that is equal to 400x square plus 441x square, which is equal to 841x square. 841 is 29 square, so AC is equal to 29x. It will be negative as well, but since this is length, we discard negative values. So AC is 29x. Now we have to find sec A. Sec A is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, which in this case is 20x divided by 29x. So sec A is equal to 20 by 29. So let's see, answer is alright. Sec A is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So this is just the reciprocal, 29x by 20x. So this is 29 by 20. So answer is option C.